The 8 best chicken dishes. Kind. The final dish of the divine recipe was absolutely amazing. Road. Please pay attention, this is what I think. The best way to cook chicken is without adding a drop of water or using too many seasonings. Original flavor. As long as you know how to boil water, it's easy. The learning. The best choice for chicken is this type of small-footed free-range chicken, as its meat is firmer. Here, a pound of free-range chicken is 500 grams. That. How much do you sell? After washing it clean, chop it into smaller pieces. Fresh free-range chicken pieces don't need to be blanched. Now add some shredded ginger and a spoonful of salt. Add a spoonful of pepper, a little Guangdong rice wine, and a touch of peanut oil to enhance the aroma, then use your left hand. Put on a glove, mix it well, and marinate for 15 minutes. I share daily. These are all simple and delicious home-style dishes. Could you please order for me? A little red heart to show your support. Thank you so much. Next, add water to the pressure cooker and place a steamer on top. Shelves and plates. Then put the marinated chicken in. Remember, do not add water to the chicken. Simply cover and cook over medium-low heat with pressure for 20 minutes. Time's up. Let's open the lid. Wow! This smells amazing. The chicken is tender, smooth, and incredibly flavorful. It's truly delicious. If you like it, you can save this recipe. After the second chicken. Try it once you buy the leg. This Cantonese favorite braised chicken with scallion oil is simple and delicious to make. Eat seasonings and release animals. Dark soy sauce, salt, sugar, pepper, oysters. Mix the oil evenly and marinate for 20 minutes. Then, heat the oil in the pan, add the scallions and ginger, and slowly fry over low heat. This step is crucial for the full aroma of scallions. Fry until slightly golden brown before taking it out. Come out. Stir-fry the marinated pork leg in a pan over medium-low heat. Saute until slightly browned and fragrant, then pour in the remaining sauce, cover and simmer over low heat. Simmering. 15 minutes have passed. We opened the lid. The whole room was filled with the aroma of honored scallions. The scallion oil braised chicken prepared this way is tender, juicy, and rich in scallion flavor. Road. Don't eat the chicken directly after buying it. I'm making a homemade version of Cantonese soy sauce chicken, which is very flavorful and delicious. Prepare one. A chicken with only 2 legs will be scalded with boiling water. It's easier to color than a ginger, garlic, and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Half a spoonful of old. Apply oyster sauce evenly inside and out, marinate for 20 minutes, and then place scallion segments at the bottom of the rice cooker. Then pour in the marinade from the chicken, close the lid, and press the cook button on the rice cooker. 15 minutes. This method makes incredibly tender and juicy soy sauce chicken in a rice cooker, and it's absolutely delicious. If you like it, you should try it too. After the 4th step, when making dry pot chicken at home, never blanch or deep fry it. Just follow my instructions. One method can. To make it taste just like in a restaurant, spicy and flavorful, heat oil in a pan and add ginger slices. Then pour in the chopped chicken. This fresh chicken doesn't need to be blanched. Just put it directly into the pan and stir-fry it for a while. Stir-fry until slightly browned. It will taste even better. In a separate pan, add more ginger, garlic, dried chili peppers, and a little Sichuan peppercorn. Stir-fry with a spoonful of fermented soybean paste. I smell fragrance every day. I'll be posting a different kind of home-style dish, so please follow me. Want to try it later? Will do. When I can find it, I'll pour in the chicken and add light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Add a little oyster sauce, salt, chicken bouillon, sugar, and pepper. Continue stir-frying over high heat until the flavors are well combined. Before removing from heat, add some green and red bell peppers and diced onions. Stir-fry evenly. This dry pot chicken is incredibly delicious and spicy. 5 paths. This is a common home-style dish that Guangdong mothers all know how to make, chicken with sand ginger and scallions. This is the best way to cook chicken. Prepare half a chicken that has never been in a relationship, sprinkle it with fine salt, and rub it inside and out. Place scallions and ginger on the bottom of a plate. Add chicken broth, bring to a boil, then steam over high heat for 20 minutes. The scallion oil chicken is delicious. The key is this soy sauce, sand ginger, and shallots poured over hot oil to release their aroma. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and a little sesame oil, stir well, and then pour it over the chicken. It's ready to eat. It's very easy to learn, so hurry up and try it out. 6th one. Cooking chicken is my specialty, especially this ginger and scallion fried chicken. It's fragrant, smooth, and tender, and tastes especially delicious. Put 2 chicken hind legs in a pot of cold water with scallions, ginger, cooking wine to remove the fishy smell, a little salt, and a few drops of yellow sauce for color. Cover and boil for 20 minutes. Scooped out after minutes. Soak in cold water for 5 minutes, then tear into small pieces with your left hand. Put minced ginger and chopped green onions in a bowl. Garlic minced and white sesame seeds drizzled with hot water. Add oil to release its aroma, then add a spoonful of salt and chicken bouillon to make chicken broth. Stir in a little sesame oil. Uniform. Finally, add some cilantro and drizzle it over the chicken, then use your left hand. Mix well and it's ready to eat. This way of making scallion and ginger chicken is fresh, fragrant, and smooth. Those who have learned it, hurry up and make the 7th one. Many people blanch chicken as soon as they buy it. No wonder your cooking is so bad. It's tough, hard, and not good. Fresh chicken does not need to be blanched. After cleaning the water, put it directly into the pot and bring it to a boil. Stir fry over high heat until the oil comes out, then it's ready to eat. I've posted hundreds of home-style recipes without even realizing it, but I still haven't received your little red envelope. My heart is really broken. You give this video. I'll order one. May you have a lucky little heart. Thanks for your hard work. Then add ginger and garlic. Stir fry half a spoonful of small red chilies, a little light soy sauce, a dash of dark soy sauce, salt, and oyster sauce over high heat until fragrant. Pouring a can of beer can not only removes fishy smell and can soften. Simmer the meat covered for 10 minutes, then add some green peppers and chicken bouillon. Season with pepper, stir fry over high heat for a few seconds, then remove from heat and serve. This way of making stir-fried chicken with green peppers tastes even better than in restaurants. I like it too. Yes. 8th road. There are many ways to cook chicken in Guangdong, but the most classic method is many people make poached chicken, but it turns out tough and dry, not good at all. Today I'll share the detailed recipe with you. The first step in making poached chicken is choosing the right chicken. It's best to use chicken cut into small pieces. Clearly muscular, free-range chickens from farms are then sprinkled with salt and rubbed all over their bodies. Spread evenly to remove surface dirt. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Add a spoonful of salt, scallions, and ginger to the water used to soak the chicken to remove any gamey smell. For a better color, you can add a few more chopped yellow seeds and wait until the water is completely absorbed. After boiling, turn the heat to the lowest setting, then put the chicken in and dip it 3 times to ensure it is evenly cooked inside and out. I share my hot posts every day. These are all simple and delicious home-style dishes. If you like them, please like and follow for more information. If you want to eat this again but don't know how to make it, just ask me anytime. The poached chicken is soaked. When it comes out, remember never to turn the heat up high and don't put the lid on. Maintaining this torn but not fully open state is the key to making poached chicken tender and delicious. Approximately 3 pounds. Soak the chicken on the right for 25 minutes, then remove and rinse. Ice water makes the chicken skin crispier. Then chop the chicken into small pieces, plate it, and season with 1 dipping sauce. It's a ginger and scallion juice bowl with minced ginger and chopped scallions drizzled with hot oil. To bring out the aroma, only add salt for seasoning. All other seasonings should be used. No need to put it in. In a bowl, place sand ginger and shallots in a sauce and drizzle with hot oil. To enhance the aroma and flavor, only add light soy sauce and simply mix in a little sesame oil. A delicious, fragrant, and tender classic Cantonese dish, poached chicken, is ready. Served with This soul-stirring dipping sauce is truly amazing. If you like chicken, save this recipe and try making it.